Yeah, I wanna rap it. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut up selector boy.
Alright gang, we are back with another video, and today we back with Jquan, 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, the one is 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐹. It's been a minute since we reacted to Jquan. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's been a minute since we reacted to a Jquan song. You see me? It's been like a good few months right now since we reacted to Jquan. And Jquan is crazy because Jquan is so talented, yo. Like real talk, Jquan is crazy talented. Like the man can sing, he can spit, got lyrics. He's mad creative. You see me? I say, yeah, man. Jquan, he's up and coming, bro. He's one of them artists that you gotta keep an eye on, bro. You see me? I say, there's no telling where he can go in this. You see me? I say, him, Javodan. You see me? They got this unique style. You see me? I say, you know, they chopping over the chopping thing. They got this unique style to them, how them sing and how them bring across the song or message them I deal with. You see me? I say, but yeah, man. Jquan are doing thing, bro. He's very talented, bro. And yo, a year or two from now, this man gonna be solid in the game, bro. No cap, bro. I can see a lot of people gravitating towards him. You see me? I say, he got style and everything too. So yeah, man. But Jquan dropped this like what, a week ago in called 𝐕54. And we're gonna check it out. Like dog, I say my giant, eh? 𝐕54. All right, go check it out. Jquan 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿 𝐕54. Let's get it, gang. Say if you don't meet, you can't size up, you know. You don't see JLE. And a rental original. Go on, Jay. I'm liking the look of the video, I ain't gonna lie.
Let's take a step back to the class. G-Shock on my wrist with a Louis glass. Consider you lucky when they see the boss. I know everywhere we go, cause we no Scooby-Nard. Ready when
everywhere we go, no Scooby-Nard. No, sir, I like the feel of this. This got a 90s, 70s dance off here.
They're ready for the bar. Are you ready for the vibe? Tell me what you want. Has a gal is for clean, nothing off the raw. Big livity, I coulda never look small. One code badness coulda never talk. Fuck around and your head.
One code badness coulda never. Hey.
Shot cut it off. Tell a bitch make a wish to the magic wand. Hear anything you want, come
yeah, man, have a gal is have it clean, nothing right now, brother. You see me? I say, I ain't gonna lie to you, gang. In the past few years, I did fell off of my fresh shit, bro. I'm a nigga. Bro, y'all been watching my videos like y'all probably like, yo, that what? Bro, I was not myself, bro. Y'all see me doing the video, I was not myself. I'm a nigga that's usually fresh, keeping shit together all the time. But you already know we glad we back to a mental space where we're like, you know, well, mental is better. You see me? I say, well, yeah. So y'all gonna see the true when you come out. Don't worry.
I can't mean one hot baby, bring the fun. I take your clothes off, I can do anyone. Make we left it badness for a quick second. Fat pussy in a jar where you get it from. Give me love it fast.
If you badness and go to the girl, let my home team, I gotta eat. Hey.
Bring, we'll leave a money, make me know what you need. Then, yeah, me feel bored right now. My book a few flight, but Dubai for the weekend. From a day, I'm a teen, man, do it. We got some dogs, some richer than leeching. Back I'm on the lay down and I'm on bed. If more.
This man got a crazy, unique sound. Like that can, you see me? That sound just so unique and clear and just you got a raw style.
Running, believe me, not leave them. Panam pam panam pam, panam pam panam boy, panam pam panam pam, panam pam panam boy. 5, 4, 4, big giant door run.
Easy, big giant door run, easy now.
5, 4, 4, big giant door. Spend enough money, been stuck in my DNA. When I see me driving, I beg you give me way. Wonder if me head cheaper if I saw
enough money in my DNA. When I see me there, give me way, boy. Yeah.
I don't really know. I mean, I really care. Jagga, fool for real. Call me Misha, better not call me thief. Why you lying?
Jagga, fool for real. Call me Mish, not call me thief, boy.
I really care. Jagga, fool for real. Call me Misha, better not call me thief. Why you lying? Never charge a fee. But I guess I still living in your dream. Panam pam panam pam. Panam pam panam.
Jquan, bro, them man are talented, yeah. Them man are crazy talented. Hey.
Panam pam panam pam. Panam pam panam. Panam pam panam pam. Panam pam panam.
come to your big giant touchdown. Don't run me out.
Big giant, baby,
Easy. Yeah, man. Jquan, directed by Chad Henry. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Big giant, don't run you out.
Yo, queer, what you know, Chris?
Big giant, not the small one. Yeah, come on. Jquan, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Creative Click. Chad Henry, big up on the damn self, not doing the damn thing, dog. Jquan, yeah, dog, crazy talented, my G. Keep doing your thing, my gang, you don't know. You see me then, can't stop playing a dog. Jquan a bad artist, bro. I'm interested to see where he takes it, bro. You see me, like the sky is the limit. You see me, Jquan can solidify himself in this game, bro. No joke, it's a vibe, man. But yeah, my gang, till next time, take care of yourself and each other. You don't know. Let's chop it up, get in the comments, road to 10K. Next time, take care of yourself. Love you guys.
I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.